Hello, liebe Leute, and welcome to see our holiday travels. We had 12 days and we didn't plan to travel very much, but this is how it turned out. For our 6-meter long camper van, it is cheaper to drive across the Danish bridges because we have the toll collection device. The Scandinavian summer weather changes rapidly, nevertheless it was an easy and pleasant drive towards our first attraction. We wanted to visit the home of Legos, but we weren't ready to pay for the entrance fee. We visited the city of Billund without high expectations. Surprisingly, the city and the Legoland premises provided a very nice experience completely free of charge. We didn't even need to pay for the parking because our small camper van fits the standard parking spaces, which are free for a few hours. There were plenty of funny Legos to admire, lovely green parks to walk in, and the Lego house to visit in the city. Additionally, we stumbled upon another lovely surprise in southern Denmark. There is a charming deer sanctuary in Haderslev. We were lucky, the other travelers were also respectful towards nature and each other, so we saw a lot of animals. What a beautiful place! Definitely worth a visit. Thank you for watching this one and see you soon again.